Hey folks, Farmer Marshall here with the top 5 mistakes that gardeners need to avoid when planting their vegetable garden from seed. Using poor growing medium. Don't use old dirt because it could introduce bad bacteria and disease into your young seedlings. The soil from your garden is too heavy and will soon compact down into basically an impenetrable block, thus smothering your seedling roots. Also, store-bought garden often has larger chunks of organic matter like bark or decomposed wood chips. They really aren't good for seed sprouts trying to break through your soil. Many seeds do better in a seed starting mix. You can buy a pre-mix or you can create your own by using a combination of your own, so you won't regret it. Here's one simple recipe for making your own seed starting mix. Use 8-part pre-moistened peat moss, 1 part vermiculite, 1 part perlite, and also 1 tablespoon of garden soil per gallon. Planting seeds too deep is another huge error. One rule of thumb is to plant seeds at a depth equal to 2-3 times the seed's width. It's better to plant some seeds too shallow than too deep. Some seeds, such as certain lettuces, need light to germinate and should not be covered at all. Seeds that are planted too deep may grow into weak, feeble seedlings or fail to germinate at all. Improper watering. It's important to supply adequate and consistent watering to your seeds. It can cause your seeds and seedlings to fail because if the seed starts to germinate and then it doesn't have enough moisture available, it can die before it's able to set its roots down into the ground and get established. Too much water in your seeds might drown or rot. If you give your soil too much water, the water fills in all of the air pockets in the soil, and that means your plant roots can't breathe and get stressed. Using old seeds. Don't expect those old seeds from 2 or 3 years ago to have a good germination rate. There's a reason why stores tend to toss off the old seeds at the end of the year. They aren't guaranteed to fail, but newer seeds will give you a better chance at success. Success is what all gardeners need. Failure is just discouraging. So is this guy back here. Just want to kind of some dogs out there and go ruff, go get them. Not enough light. Smart seeds generally germinate better in light than in darkness. That's why you don't bury them deep. The seedlings will grow, but they'll become leggy and gangly. Basically, they become long and thin since they're reaching towards the source of light. Planting your seeds while avoiding these mistakes will make your garden much more successful. And let's face it, we need some success in these days. So let's get out there and get a little dirty. And I think I'm going to go get a little dirty with this guy over here making all this noise. Have a good day. So let's get out there and get a little dirty while I go handle this dude over here.